Hello friends. So welcome to our channel. So this is the first video of my channel, and what I will do is in this video I will explain you how we can create an EC2 instance on AWS. Okay. So first of all, you will go to your management console. Okay, so this is our management console. The user that I'm currently using is user one. Okay, so this is an IAM user. I'm not using the root user right now. Okay, and the region that I chose is Mumbai because this is the closest to region to my current location. Okay, so you can choose your region according to your requirement. If you are in different region, you can choose according to your requirement. Okay, so we will go to EC2. You can also search it here. For example, you want to go to EC2, you can just search EC2. So this service is used to create virtual machines. Okay, so the name that AWS uses here is instance. So as you can see, I don't have any of the running instances right now. So we will create one right now. Okay, so let's click on launch instances. I will give it a name, for example, demo 111 because I might have created earlier demo as well. Okay. So the next option is saying application and OS images. So we have different types of images, but if you are doing it for testing, you have to make sure that you are using the free tier eligible. Okay. For example, if you choose a different virtual machine, it will charge you. There will be cost per hour for a specific virtual machine. Okay. So right now I will choose Ubuntu, and as you can see there are different options, and I will choose the 22.04 TLS. Okay, I'm confirming the changes. This is free tier eligible as also. Let's scroll down, and there's the option for the instance type. So AWS has a different categories for the instances. As you can see, it's a T2 category showing right now. Then we have C5, like there is a medium, small, large. It starts with nano also. Okay, so there are different categories depending upon your requirement. For now, I will because I want to create a free virtual machine that doesn't charge me, so I will choose this one. So by default, what AWS does, it provides you a 750 hours per month of free virtual machine of usage of T2 Micro. So only for the T2 Micro, it will be free of charge. You can use one virtual CPU is provided in this, and 1 gigabyte of memory of this is the memory of the T2 microcontroller. Okay. So I will create a new key pair for myself so I can do the SSH. So let's say it demo 111. Okay. So it will be in RSA. Encryption will be provided for the this private key. Make sure you save it in PAN. If you want to use a PuTTY, you can also use the .ppk file as well. Okay. So I've saved this one. I'll save this one. Okay. I already have 111, so I have to make sure that I choose the demo 111 cross here. So just make sure that you choose the right and make sure you save it in safe location. So the next option is network settings. So I will edit this one. Like VPC will be in default. I'm totally fine with this. And I will create a custom security group. So for example, I will name it demo SG. Demo SG is the name of my security group. And now here's comes the interesting part. So it says the inbound security rule group rules. So by default, the SSH is enabled. Obviously, you want to access your machine. SSH is a really secure way to connect with your virtual machine. So, for example, if I'm in my current location, I want to access AWS, this EC2 instance, which is hosted on AWS. In that case, I will choose the SSH option. Okay, the port for the SSH is 22, and it's TCP, and there's the another option that you can choose source type. So do you want this to be accessed from anywhere? For example, if you change your network, if you are in Wi-Fi or hotspot, or you are accessing it from your office, do you want to customize this, or you want to use current IP? So what AWS will does, it will track your public IP and it will allocate it automatically. Or you can also do that key. Okay, I don't want to like this is not really a secure thing. Like I don't want really a lot of security for this. So in that case, you can choose this option. Okay. If you want to add any other rule, for example, you want to enable, for example, HTTP port, let's say. Okay. So you want to enable the HTTP, so it will be selected by default, and you want, okay, I can access it from anywhere, or you want it, okay, no, I want to access it to be accessed from my current IP only. So in that case, you can choose that option. Okay. So by default, it's stateful. That means incoming, if there's a something, for example, SSD is mentioned, okay, it's allowed to have incoming traffic, but then you don't need to mention that the outbound traffic to be allowed for this for the same. Okay. So the by default the storage is 8 gigabit. I'm totally fine with this. If I want to add more volumes, I can do that as well. So, in advanced delivery, there are different options, and according to your requirement, you can choose that. If you want, for example, you want to enable the hibernate option, so this is also here, and there are different options. You can just log in and test these things on your own. Okay. So this one is the scripting part. For example, if you want to make a bootstrap script for your EC2 instance, in that case, you can mention your script here, and when the first time your EC2 instance will boot up, it will use this script. So first this script is run. For example, you want to install Apache, Nginx, any server on databases before your machine runs on. In that case, you can just mention your script here, add your script here, and it will be your EC2 instance will boot up with those servers and whatever you will mention in your script. Okay. So we will launch the instance now. Okay. It doesn't take like it will take 10 to 20 seconds, and I think it will be greater than. Okay. So as you can see, the demo 1.1 is ready. This is my instance ID, and instance state is pending. It's taking some time to load. Okay. So T2 micro will be there, and you alarms, you can see, okay, this is my availability zone, the zone on which I hosted my this virtual machine. Okay. So this is my public DNS, and you can see the other option there. So this is the public IP that has been assigned to my virtual machine. Okay. So let's go to here, and it's running now. Okay. So this is successful, and we have the public IP. This is the private IP that has been assigned to my virtual machine. And furthermore, you can see the different options that are related to this virtual machine. So that's all for the video, and thank you. I hope you guys like the demo, and yeah, I will create more videos just like this. Okay. So thank you for watching my content. Thank you.